my chord progression song. 1, 4, 5. 1, 4, 5. Yeah, baby, now. Shake it up, baby, now. Come on, baby. Play those chords. All right, what are we talking about when we're looking for a chord progression song? In this case, a 1, 4, 5 or 1, 4, 5, 7 song. Well, there's a few criteria that you want to meet when you're choosing a song. One is that it has the chords, right? 1 chord, 4 chord, 5, 7 chord. Not necessarily in that order, because even though many do have it in that order, and it's wild. It is pretty much a wild thing that it has them in. That order was 1, 4, 5, 4, right? But some, not exactly. Some might be 1, the 4 chord, and the 1 chord, and the 5 chord. All right, so there's different ways that the chords could be sequenced, but the important thing is that they are in a sequence, and that sequence repeats. Usually, each chord is played for a certain amount of time. Sometimes it's equal, sometimes not so much, but generally speaking, there's a repetitiveness to it, and it's predictable. And that's one of the things we like about these songs, is that once you know the progression, once you're able to play the progression, you've just got the whole song, and then you're just singing words and just singing over it. Sometimes they start on a different chord than 1. Tingaleo, come little donkey, come, right? Sometimes it's 4, 1, 5, and 1. So the actual order, not the main concern. So it doesn't have to only be 1, 4, 5. But you want one that is repetitive, which gives us predictability, which gives us a sense of safety, and it just makes it easy. So again, when we're looking for a 1, 4, 5 progression song, it's not any song that has those chords. There's lots of songs that have those chords, but they may not be in a predictable sequence. They may not be played the same amount of time or very evenly laid out. And that, I think, makes songs that just simply have those chords a little more challenging than songs that have a progression where the song is just built on a repetitive presentation of the chords. All right, so I hope that all makes sense. I hope that you just got an idea of several songs that you could use for a 1, 4, 5 progression song, and that's what we're looking for. So it has the chords are played in a repetitive manner, and then that basically extends throughout the entire song. It might just be the verse, it might be the chorus. Often is the case that it's the entire song, and it just starts and goes and up until the end, and that makes it easy. All right, I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching.